This is tonight's homework. Problem number 2 of the problem set. Dayjoy and Damien collect fossils before they went on a fossil hunting trip. Dayjoy had 25 fossils in her collection, and Damien had 16 fossils in his collection. So before they even go on their trip, at day 0, Dayjoy already has 25, and Damien has 16. Okay, and I'm just going to use J to represent Dayjoy and M to represent the fossils that Damien has. On a 10-day fossil trip, they each collected 2 new fossils each day. All right, so on the first day, Dayjoy collects 2 new fossils, but she also has 25. So 25 plus 2 would be 27, right? Damien, again, started with 16, but on the first day he collects 2 more fossils, and 16 plus 2 would be 18. And right away we kind of see a pattern. We're adding by 2. Let's see if that pattern continues. On day 2, he collects 2 more fossils. So she had 27 fossils already after day 1, and then the next day she collected 2 more. So 27 plus 2 more would be 29. Damien had 18 fossils after day 1 and collected 2 more, so that would be 20. Now he's kind of see the pattern. 2 plus 2. 16 to 18 is plus 2. 18 to 20 is plus 2. Now we have a pattern. We are increasing by 2s as we move vertically. Now take a second to pause the video and try to see if you can identify a rule or an equation that can be found between the day number and the amount of fossils that Dayjoy has. So let's go. In order for D to be equal to J, what has to happen? All right, pause the video right now. Well, according to my problem, Dayjoy has 25 fossils in her collection, and then she collects 2 new fossils each day. So each represents by multiplication, so 2 times my day plus the 25 she has already will equal how many fossils Dayjoy has. And we check this by using substitution, so we plug in our value, right? For days 1, we'll start with, wherever we see the D, we're going to put our 1 in. So 2 times 1 plus 25 should equal what J is, which is 27. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 25 equals 27. Okay? Take a second to pause the video and see if you can identify a rule or an equation that we could use to make the day equal to the fossils that Damien has. So again, according to what the problem says, it says they each collected 2 new fossils each day. So 2 fossils per day plus the 16 fossils he already had in his collection should equal the fossils that Damien has. And now we just check this by using substitution. So let's go down to 2. So for day 2, plus the 16 fossils he had should equal 20, right? Day 2, Damien has 20. Let's see if that's correct. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 16 equals 20. 4 plus 16 is 20, equals 20. And that does work. So here's one equation, and here's our second equation for the other person. Now, is there a rule that we can identify moving from Dayjoy all the way to Damien? Well, let's see. 25 to 16, we are subtracting by 9. 27 to 18, we are subtracting by 9. 29 to 20, we are subtracting by 9. If we go the opposite way, 16 to 25, we are adding 9. 18 to 27, we are adding 9. 20 to 29, we are adding 9. So we can say, I'm going to cut this table a little bit short, that for J to be equal to M, it's J minus 9. And for M to be equal to J, we are adding 9. So 20 plus 9 should equal J, 29, and it does. And 27 minus 9 should equal 18, and it does. So we don't even need to actually continue our table now, because now we have a rule or our equation. So let's look here. If this pattern of fossil finding continues, how many fossils does Damien have when Dayjoy has 55? So we said Dayjoy minus 9 equals Damien's fossils. So when Dayjoy has 55, now we use substitution, how many fossils would Damien have? Well, 55 minus 9 is going to be 46. And there's our answer. And again, the way we use equations is just by identifying the rule in our table.